Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon SES with AI to personalize transactional emails, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Amazon SES with AI for personalizing transactional emails, begin by creating an AWS account if you don't have one. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SES section from the Services menu. Verify your email address or domain, which will be the sender address for your transactional emails. Go to the Email Addresses tab under the Identity Management section. Click on Verify a new email address and enter your sender email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Amazon SES and click the link to verify. Next, configure SMTP settings for sending emails. Go to the SMTP settings section in SES and click on Create My SMTP Credentials. Create a new credential and save the SMTP username and password securely. Configure your email sending application to use the SMTP settings, including the endpoint, port, and authentication details. To add personalization, choose an AI service that offers email content generation, like OpenAI GPT-3. Set up an account with your chosen AI provider and obtain API keys. Install the SDK or library required to interact with the AI service in your application. Write a function in your application that gathers user data and sends it to the AI service for generating personalized email content. The function should include the necessary parameters, such as username, preferences, and other relevant data. Once you receive the generated content from the AI service, format it into an HTML or plain text email body. Next, integrate the SES sending function in your application. Use the AWS SDK to create an SES client and prepare an email request based on the formatted content. Make sure to include the verified sender email, recipient email, subject line, and email body in the request. Send the email using the SES client and handle any errors or exceptions that may arise. Finally, test your configuration by sending a sample email to ensure that personalization is working as expected. Monitor your sending activity and reputation through the Amazon SES console. Adjust your approach based on feedback and analytics to optimize the email personalization process further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.